Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. For this week's Take and Make craft, we are making these very adorable stress balls as we continue to spring into wellness. In your craft kit this week, you will receive a balloon and a piece of yarn. And for your own supplies, you will need scissors, a marker, preferably a permanent marker, cornstarch or flour, and some kind of funnel. It could just be a water bottle with the end cut off. To start, I'm going to fill the balloon with our cornstarch in my case. I recommend adding a little bit at a time to your funnel, and I also recommend doing it over the trash can or the sink. I am starting it here to show you, but this is definitely a craft that benefits from being done in a place you're okay getting a little messy. So I'm just shaking my funnel so that all of my cornstarch can come down to my balloon. I definitely recommend using a little less cornstarch than that. Once I have filled my balloon off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off. And before we draw on our stress ball's face, I'm just going to wipe it down so that there's no cornstarch residue when we start drawing. Now we'll go ahead and draw our stress ball's face. I went a little stressed for my first stress ball, but to calm me down a little bit, I'm going very peaceful with the stress ball's face. So feel free to interpret your stress ball's personality however you would like. Now we can go ahead and make our stress ball's hair. I'm going to take my yarn and grabbing one end, wrap it around my fingers as many times as I can, reserving a little bit of the end to tie our looped yarn off. And cutting off a little piece and tying it to my stress ball's head right around the stem. And once that's attached, I'll go ahead and cut the ends of the loops to make her hair puff out. And that is all finished. Here is our cute stress ball all done. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week for a new craft.